Now we are going to talk about some things that's really reshaping the modern manufacturing in a very real and very measurable, the combined power of the real-time monitoring, analytics, and the tracking. So these three words are not just the buzzwords now. So these are the backbone of the smarter, faster, and more resilient manufacturing operations. And today I want to just to go through why it matters and how we change our decision and or how it helps in taking the decision making at the shop floors and beyond. So let's come to the real-time monitoring, seeing like what's happening as it happens. So let's start with the real-time monitoring. For decades, we will take a decision based upon the shift end reports or the logs. Or sometimes we go with a gut instincts. But today, the sensors and the connected missions give us like instant visibility into performance, quality, and even the mission's health, basically. So with the real-time monitoring, you are no longer waiting for the end of the shift to discover a problem. The moment the mission shut down or if anything has happened, as the production was slowed down, just by having the instant visibility of the real-time monitoring, we can go to the mission, we can go to the robo, whether if it's like a welding or something, if it's like an assembly plant, we can go. Then we can sort out at the instant of time. So we just not wait till the shift ends or till the products like at the end of the cycle. So it's like instant visibility, basically. So from delayed awareness to the immediate insight, that's what the real-time monitoring says. Okay, that's one point. That's a role. That's a real-time monitoring, and next comes to analytics. So analytics. So in the real-time monitoring, we have the data, but and we have the visibility, but visibility is not like good enough to take any decision. So there it comes to analytics. So the analytics will take all the data that was stored. We have different storage capacity like SCADA, where it is like second level in the manufacturing 4.0, where it is to the all the supervisory control and the data storage. So this analytics is now it's a part of MES. So it analyzes all the data that was taken from all the sensors, the operators, the missions, the torque tools, and everything, the temperatures, the pressures, and everything. It will take the data, and it will create a mathematical model. We already have the mathematical models. No, it is already inbuilt. So it will do something like predictive analytics also. So if something happens, it will take all the history of the data of the particular process or for the particular line. So it will give some predictive analytics. So why in future, if something is going wrong, at least it will give an alarm, okay, to react within no time. So we can take some judgments based upon that one. So we can avoid any future problems that occur. So that way, the analytics is helps a lot by taking the data. Moreover, it's like the decision what we are taking. It's just not a normal decision. It's like intelligent decision using the visibility, the instant visibility. So these two are going by hand by hand. The analytics nowadays it's like going more popular because of using the AI, ML, and the machine learning techniques and the algorithms we have developed a lot to get just to make our decisions right. So that's one thing. And the third part is the tracking. And tracking is it's like connecting all the dots across the factory. Like it connects the machines, it connects the operator, it connects the torque tools, it connects the quality checks and everything. It's connects. So this is one of the crucial where the tracking comes. That's one thing. Tracking, I can say it connects all the dots. So that this matters because manufacturing is a chain. So if something is broken at the end, the complete line has to be shut down. So that's one point where we can be more focused by tracking right from the starting of the product to the end product. So this also helps for the traceability, as Rajshekar told, like if any in future, if you got any recalls. So as you see, like many times, small brackets are missing or small bolts are missing. Because of that, we are getting like huge accidents and everything. So again, we are getting so many millions of vehicles recalls. So that's one thing. And based upon the VIN number, as you know, like the VIN number is sent to the car as a work order that is planned at ERP. What this MES do is it will take the work order from the ERPs, and it will populate, it will schedule, it will plan everything. Like, as you know, the MES is very good for the variants. With a vast variety of variants, it will schedule, it will plan and everything across all the the lines. So it will ensure it's a process flows in certain way. So it should be like minimum errors. I cannot say it's zero errors, but it will minimize the errors. That's what the MES does. And that's what the tracking. And tracking is very good for traceability. So we can identify we can go to the exact spot where the problem exists. So that's where the tracking helps a lot. So once you combine the real-time monitoring, the analytics, and the tracking, we are really unlocks the next feature 5.0. So, go with a better code quality. So these are some advantages are there by like combining all these things. The product quality will be improved. The downtime we will reduce the downtime, and the fatigue. The operators or the mission fatigue we can reduce, and we can take the decision within no time. Some intelligent decision we can take in time.